everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to clear your watch history on Instagram. If you want to remove recently watched reels, Instagram lets you do it in just a few steps. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. Go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone, then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap your activity and scroll down until you find Watch History. When you open it, you'll see all the reels you've watched recently. Now, tap Select in the top right corner, choose the videos you want to remove, and then tap Remove at the bottom of the screen. If Instagram asks you to confirm your choice, simply tap Remove again. And that's it! The selected videos have now been removed from your Instagram watch history.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!